Welcome to Man That's Cooking. In this video, we're going to show you how to make Tuscan White Bean Salad. So this is excellent as a side dish at a barbecue or for any other meal, or you could just eat it as it is. First, we're going to start with two 15-ounce cans of cannelli beans. Now you're going to probably need to wash these beans out. Like you see here, there's some stuff in the can that you don't want to incorporate into the bean salad. And once you get that done, you want to use a pretty sharp paring knife and slice up 1 pint of cherry tomatoes into thirds, just like this. And of course, you need to wash these tomatoes. And we're going to put all these ingredients into a large mixing bowl. Next, you want to dice up a half green pepper. You could probably use a whole green pepper, but it might be a little excessive. Once you dice that up, just go ahead and add that to the mixing bowl. Next, we're going to dice up a half of a red onion. And we're going to do it a quarter at a time here, in case you're wondering. But there's the half right there. Just go ahead and add that to the mixing bowl. Next ingredient is about a quarter cup of parsley. I'm going to remove the stems like this and just kind of hand chop it like this with your chef's knife. After that, we're going to do a sort of a chiffonade on about a quarter cup of fresh basil. Now, if you can't get these ingredients fresh at your grocery store, don't even bother making this. Just don't. No, you can't use dry herbs for this. It's not going to be good. Go ahead and add that basil to the mixing bowl. And now we're going to add in the drained and sort of drip-dried beans. Now we're going to add a quarter cup of olive oil. You have extra virgin, that's the best kind. And next we're going to add a quarter cup of capers. So these are going to add an excellent salty, briny flavor to this mix. You don't want to skip out on these. Next we're going to take a half of a lemon and zest it and then juice it and add that bright flavor and that acid into this salad. It's going to be delicious. And for the final ingredient, got to add a little dimension of heat. So we're going to add a half teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Alright, so just gently stir everything together. Just a few mixes around is all you need. So ideally, you want to cover this and put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours, let the flavors combine. But that's not necessary. I mean, you can eat it right now. You can serve it right now if you want. And that's what we're going to do. Because why not? Let's see what we got here. Alright. Look at all that. So if you don't manage to eat this all right away, it can last up to 5 days in your refrigerator. Once those cherry tomatoes start getting a little too squishy, you know it's time to toss it. But you probably won't have that problem. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you make this at home, let us know how it turned out in the comments section. Click like, click subscribe. Check us out at manthat'scooking.com, where you'll find this recipe with the instructions and the ingredients, along with many other recipes that you're going to want to make too. Thanks for watching.